Hi! Hi Rizal Yamado, this is your request, a friend of mine. I hope you like it. I've known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. And this is all will ever be. I love you ever since you are a friend of mine. And babe, is this all we ever could be? Tell me things I never knew. I show you love you never show. But then again, when you cry, I'm always at your side. Tell me about the love you had. I listen very eagerly, but deep inside you never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, but then again, I'm glad I've known you all my life. You are a friend of mine. No, this is how it's gonna be. I love you then and I love you still. You're a friend of mine.